So here's how to add currency converter to your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Shopify account, and then you have to go to the dashboard of your Shopify account. Now here you have to simply click on the add apps option from the left menu, and after that it will open this app store. Here you have to click on the Shopify App Store option, and once you click on it, now it will take you to the App Store of the Shopify. Now here you have to search for the currency converter. Then here at this page you have to scroll down and go to the auto currency switcher app. Now you have to install this plugin onto your Shopify store. To install it, you have to simply click on it. Now here you have to click on the add app option. Once you click on it, now it will take you to this page where you have to choose your account to sign into your account. After that, it will take you to this page where you have to simply click on the install app option, and once you click on it, now it will be successfully installed to your Shopify store. So that's how to add currency converter to your Shopify store.